Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research and productivity tips. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Remember, this is based on my personal experience using these tools. Automating dropshipping order fulfillment can significantly streamline your business. One popular method involves using Zapier, a powerful automation tool that connects various apps. A common scenario involves integrating your e-commerce platform, like Shopify, with a dropshipping supplier's system or a fulfillment service. Zapier essentially acts as a bridge, allowing these different applications to communicate. When a customer places an order on your Shopify store, Zapier can automatically trigger a series of actions. It can instantly send the order details, including the customer's shipping information and the product they purchased, to your dropshipping supplier or fulfillment center. This eliminates manual data entry, reducing the risk of errors and saving you valuable time. Setting up this automation usually involves selecting a trigger event, which is the initial action that starts the process. In this case, a new order on your Shopify store would be the trigger. Then, you define the subsequent actions that Zapier should perform. This could be sending the order information to your supplier, updating inventory levels, or even sending a confirmation email to the customer. Zapier supports a wide range of apps, allowing you to connect various parts of your dropshipping business. You could integrate it with your accounting software to automatically track expenses, your email marketing platform to send targeted promotions, or even your CRM to manage customer relationships. The possibilities for automation are extensive. By automating your dropshipping order fulfillment with Zapier, you can free up time to focus on other important aspects of your business, such as marketing, product research, and customer service. This can lead to increased efficiency, reduced errors, and ultimately, greater profitability. While setting up the automation might require some initial effort, the long-term benefits can be substantial, especially as your business grows and order volume increases. It's definitely worth exploring Zapier as a solution for streamlining your dropshipping operations.